That's the house of a frog. Cute, cute. I'm vlogging. I meant. Whoa! IDK to you. Oh. Hey. Hey guys. Wait. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Rabbit. Bro likes it. Ah! It's okay, I can touch you. Boop. Ah! Wait, guys. Oh. It's not bad. I think it's poisonous or something.
I touch it.
Ribbit. Oh wow. It's playing like a manicure.
Touch him, Luna.
Guys, check if there's more in the hole.
There's no more. Wait.
Bro's not
There's
coming
more
out.
there.
It's okay.
But
See, I'm literally touching it. Oh, see?
hello.
Oh, Lola Bet said no. Lola
Not to
Bet
touch
said IDK.
I'm beating a frog.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Spit. Stick to this. And spit. Whoa!
I just touch it.
You touch it? Because it's cutie pie. Oh, see? I knew it. It's scared to you. It's only liking me, not you.
It's there.
There's no ahas. Oh my gosh. Guy, it only likes me. See?
I'm here.
Ribett. Oh.
I'm here.
Whoa!
And over there. Wow.
Hello, don't be scared.
I'm scared.
Where is it? It's right there. Oh, hell no. Ah. Hello. Whoa! Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Ribbits. Don't be scared. I'm gonna... I just wanna touch you.
Don't worry.
It's been 3 minutes. Oh, that's his house. How disgusting. Follow him. I knew it. There's frogs. Wait, guys.